Welcome back. Now, Kapalabhati. Kapala means skull, Bhati means light. So how do we make a shining skull? A bright skull, a kind of vibrant inner presence. That's the purpose of Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is also one of the Shatkriyas, the 6 methods of cleansing the nadis, the inner patterns, which are mentioned in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika in the 2nd chapter. And Kapalabhati is basically where you exhale very fast. You can, if you watch my belly, you keep it nice and soft, and then you just like quickly exhale every time. Now, another purpose with Kapalabhati is to kind of do it quite rapidly and swiftly. So say if you can do if you could do 100 without the break, then take 1 minute, just observe the mind, and then repeat it 2 or 3 times. That's when a good Kapalabhati comes to show. So simply relax the stomach. I can show once with the stomach. So relax the belly completely. Draw the stomach, the breath in, and just simply, let's do 10 to start. Okay? So that's the first step, or just emptying the lungs. Now let's do 10 times 10 quite rapidly. I will do a beat for every 10. So we inhale, and there we are ready. And the last one, you exhale the breath fully. Then you can wait a little bit if you want. Simply observe the breath, and then you inhale. Expand the lungs. Enjoy the breath, the width of the lungs, and then simply exhale. And then you simply sit here, observing the breath, keeping calm, keeping relaxed. Enjoy that inner state of being that kind of becomes more luminous from the practice of pranayama. And when roughly about a minute has passed, you do one more time. If your snot is all over the place, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Just make the nostril free of all kind of obstructions. If you pay attention, you feel that sometimes one nostril is a little bit more blocked. There's various reasons for that. But a good practice of pranayama will help you to kind of keep both open. Okay? So one more time, inhale and exhale. Inhale, keep your weight a little forward, and then we start. The last one, just exhale fully. Empty the breath, hold a little bit if you can, and then inhale. Rise up and meet the breath from within. Keep a long spine. And then exhale. And once again, you sit like this for about a minute. 4 or 5 smooth in and exhalations. Keeping the body, mind, senses calm. And just simply enjoy that in a state of being where you experience calm, where you experience peace, where you experience stability. Then when we do one last round, you can do it a little more rapidly if you can. And try to do this 3 to 4 times rounds in the morning before or after practice and just see the benefit. Now inhale, a little quicker on the last one. Inhale, and then we start. Empty the breath. Squeeze out the last drop. And then you inhale. Feel the expansion from within. And exhale, simply relax. Same procedure here, just sit and observe the breath for about a minute. Calm your body, mind, senses down. And just simply experience the inner calm. Relaxed state of being. Will you open yourself to this life breath? You're not chasing it or running away from it, but a good absorption of the life breath. That's what gives health in the body and in your mind, into your very being. The better you breathe, the better you live. So cherish your breath. Create space to the breath inside. Let go of obstructions and pain and stiffness and imbalances. Find a balanced state within. Do some asanas to let go of tension and strain. And when your spine can be more erect, experience the openness that good breathing practices give. Okay? That's all for now. Let's bring our palms together and just close with the Om.